Greetings everyone. Welcome back to Geeks for Geek School. Let's continue our course of C programming. Part 19. In this video, we're going to learn about the do-while loop, the third type of looping statement. So let's begin. The do-while loop. This loop is simply a while loop, but the difference here is it checks for the condition after executing the body of the loop at least once. So what happens is, in this loop, जो body है loop की वो एक बार at least once is executed before checking the condition. Alright, so this loop is like this: while condition. So this is the body of code, ये loop की body है, and this is the condition. So जब कंपाइलर इसको रीड करता है तो एटलीस्ट जो है वो एक बार इसको एग्जीक्यूट कर देता है, फिर कंडीशन चेक करेगा. फिर कंडीशन चेक करने के बाद इट विल एग्जीक्यूट द स्टेटमेंट इफ दिस कंडीशन इज सेटिस्फाइड. अंडरस्टूड? लेट्स सी द सिंटैक्स. दिस इज द सिंटैक्स ऑफ द डू व्हाइल लूप. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि ये काम करते रहो जब तक ये टेस्ट एक्सप्रेशन ट्रू है. ऑलराइट, तो यहाँ पे एक टेस्ट एक्सप्रेशन चेक होने से पहले ये वाली जो बॉडी है ये एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगी वंस. ऑलराइट, चाहे ये टेस्ट एक्सप्रेशन पहली बार में ही फॉल्स हो जाए, बट ये एक बार तो एग्जीक्यूट हो जाएगा लूप. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डू व्हाइल लूप एंड द अदर टाइप्स ऑफ लूप्स. ऑलराइट, अब जो हमारी पहले वाली एग्जांपल थी, दैट इज द हेलो वर्ल्ड प्रिंटिंग एग्जांपल. राइट, if you want to print hello world 5 times, how do you do it with the do while loop? Pause this video and try it by your own. Now let us see how we do this. Here is the sample code on how to print hello world 5 times using the do while loop. Right, we have initialized the variable I equals to 5. So first time it will directly go into the body and it will print हेलो वर्ल्ड. पहले तो डायरेक्टली काम कर गया ये. देन इट विल डिक्रीमेंट इट. तो हमारी आई जो है वो 5 से कम होके कितना पहुंच गया? 4. राइट, सो नाउ इट विल चेक फॉर द टेस्ट एक्सप्रेशन. इज 4 ग्रेटर देन 0? यस, इट इज ग्रेटर देन 0. सो इट विल गो इनसाइड द बॉडी ऑफ द लूप अगेन. सो इट विल प्रिंट अगेन हेलो वर्ल्ड. राइट, now it will decrement it again. I equals to 3. Is 3 greater than 0? Yes, it is greater than 0. So it will print it again. Now after I reaches I equals to 1, when I becomes 1, is it greater than 0? Yes, it will print again. Right, now it will decrement it. I equals to 0. When I becomes 0, the condition is false, so it will not go inside the body of the loop. So it will terminate the loop here. Understood? Right, so let us see a practical demonstration of the do while loop, and we are going to print hello world. Right, so it's the same code. I equals to 5. It will directly print the hello world in the first run. Now it will decrement I to 4. Right, now it will check the condition. Is 4 greater than 0? Yes, it is greater than 0. So it will print it again. It will move inside the body of the code and it will print hello world. Again it will decrement I. I becomes 3. Is the condition true? Yes, 3 is greater than 0. It will print again. Then again the decrement operation. I becomes 2. Is the condition true? Yes, it is. So it will print hello world again. Again I is decremented here, so it becomes I equals to 1. Is it true? Yes, it is true. It will print hello world again. Now when this is done, the decrement operation is performed. I becomes 0 here. Now is the condition true? Is 0 greater than 0? No, it is not true. So it will not print the hello world again. So it will end the loop and 5 times hello world will be printed. This is the concept of the do while loop. Now let us see the results. Here is the result. As you can see, hello world is printed 5 times. Alright, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for further updates. For more information, visit geeksforgeeks.org. Also, don't forget to visit the Geeks for Geeks school channel, where you can find various kinds of courses that are available, such as machine learning courses, Arduino based courses, mathematics for kids courses, Sprite labs, and much more to explore from the channel. Do visit.